Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from thecage.com. And what we have here today is Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. So this is the packaging. It doesn't look that special. It's just white paper box. It says Galaxy A8, 32 gigabytes. It lists 3 of the important things: infinity display, dual front-facing camera, and water and dust resistance of IP68 level certification. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the packaging. You can get this in 4 different colors: gold, orchid gray, blue, and black. And this retails for €4.99. That's a pretty hefty price, but if you happen to live in the countries with less of the tariff like Vietnam or Taiwan, then of course this is going to get cheaper. And here is the device itself, Galaxy A8 2018. Here's a little tab. We're going to put it right there and go through the accessories. Here is the headphones. This is the in-ear type headphones, and the interesting thing is that I don't see the spare tips. Usually they give out at least like 2 or 3 spare pair of tips, but this only has the one size installed in the headphones, and there is no spare one. And then we have the USB Type-C cable, one side with the USB Type-A and the other side with the USB Type-C. And here is the charger with the 5 volts 2A or 9 volts 1.67A of output. That supports adaptive fast charging. That is a licensed version of Quick Charge 2.0. So this isn't exactly a super fast Quick Charge 4.0 kind of thing, but still you should be able to top up your battery pretty quickly with this bundle charger. And inside this little packet thing, you can open it up and gain access to the SIM card tray removal pin, and under that is the free case. They included the free case. This is not exactly anything fancy or super sturdy OtterBox kind of thing, but this still should be able to give a proper protection from the day one as soon as you get your phone before your case that you ordered gets delivered. And then under that is a little guide for Samsung Pay and the little quick start guide, and that's pretty much it. So here's the device itself, the Galaxy A8 2018, and as I have went through it on our hands-on video, this isn't exactly a successor to the Galaxy A8 series. This actually replaces Galaxy A5 2017. So this was supposed to be Galaxy A5 2018, and Galaxy A7 2018 became Galaxy A8 Plus 2018. On top of the device, we have f1.9 dual front-facing camera that's going to allow you for the portrait mode, or live focus as Samsung calls it. Receiver and the series of sensors there, and 5.6 inches of infinity display. That's 18.5:9 ratio, tall and wide display as it's becoming the trend of the mobile phone walls. There's no keys on the bottom. They are done with the software. On the right hand side, there's a power key, speaker, and on the bottom we have USB Type-C port and microphone, earphone jack. On the left hand side we have volume rocker, the SIM card tray, and the micro SD card slot that can host a secondary SIM card if you aim to get the dual SIM version. Removing the protective plastic on the back, we have f1.7 16 megapixels of camera, LED flash. There is no heart rate monitor. Fingerprint sensor has been moved to the bottom of camera instead of the side of the camera from the Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy Note 8. Samsung logo under that, and the whole backplate is covered in glass. Turning on the phone, just a little specs. It's got Samsung Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. You can expand that even further, and everything is run by the 3000 mAh of built-in battery. Now it's done booting up. Let's go ahead, change the language, and go ahead with the setting processes. Alright, here we are with the main launcher. It has Samsung Experience 8.5 on top of Android 7.1.1 Nougat. This is not Android Oreo. They will surely come with the update sooner or later, but from the day one, it doesn't have the latest version of Android. Overall experience is very similar to that of Galaxy Note 8 or the S8 Plus. You have mostly white themed out with the order swappable soft key that you can also hide by double tapping the button right there. You have Samsung Pay support, Bixby Reminder, and Bixby Vision, but not the Bixby Voice that everybody knows the Bixby as. Instead of that, it's got S-Voice, really old Samsung AI-ish system right there if you really want to talk to it. There's Gear VR support, first ever in the A series, and the Face Unlock feature built in. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the optical image stabilizer. Instead, you get the EIS that's done electronically instead of optically. And also there is no wireless charging built in, but you get to have the always-on display like it did with the last year generation. Before we go, here's a quick color comparison. On the left is black, and on the right, surprisingly, is blue. Although the side has the gold rims around it, the rear is entirely blue. It does reflect the light a bit interestingly. When you're looking straight, it's like solid blue, solid metallic blue. But when you give it some light, it starts changing its colors. I'm not exactly a fan of this color, but if you want the blue and gold combination for some reason, here's the blue color, and I'm gonna go with the black one. So that was a quick look of the Galaxy A8 2018. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. We'll get back with the review very soon. Thank you all for watching. You can meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.